is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat, so fluffy and kind. D is for dog, the best friend you'll find. Come along and sing with me. The alphabet is as fun as can be. From A to Z, let's take a ride, learning letters side by side. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that hops all day. G is for grapes, so juicy and round. H is for hat that you wear in town. Come along and sing with me. The alphabet is as fun as can be. From A to Z, let's take a ride, learning letters side by side. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jam that's sweet in your tummy. K is for kite, it flies so high. L is for lion, the king of the sky. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where birds find peace. O is for octopus, swimming in the sea. P is for pizza, so tasty for me. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for train that goes all night. Come along and sing with me. The alphabet is as fun as can be. From A to Z, let's take a ride, learning letters side by side. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, hear it play. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, it plays tunes too. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with stripes in rows. Now we've learned our ABCs, let's sing again, just you and me.